Okay, 8 o'clock. So today I'm planning on shooting my morning skincare routine and what I do before stepping out of the house, or my morning routine. And just to begin with, let me get out of bed, have my green tea, and then we start. Bed to bana lo. Tea coffee collection. Right. Today what should I have? Olive tea hai, chamomile hai. I had got something in PR also, I think. इतने सारे आए. ये देखो. The amount of teas now I have received. Refreshing morning. Let's have tulsi peppermint refresh. Try this. I was freshening up my tea, brewed well, and it smells more of peppermint, and it tastes also like peppermint, and I can't taste tulsi at all. It's not kadwa, it's nothing, it's just mint, and I like it. So to begin with, we have to start off with a face wash. So I'm going to be using this one by Pilgrim, and this is a foaming face wash, has this applicator here to scrub, but I mostly do not use this because I personally like using my hand when it comes to a face wash. And let me wash my face first. So to begin with, after cleansing your face, use a toner, and I'm using a minimalistic toner today. I have quite a few toners and I keep changing them. I keep changing my products, the brands and everything, so that my skin doesn't get used to a single product or a brand. And I'm going to be using this one today. First, I use a cotton pad all over my face with the toner on it. Don't forget your neck. And on your neck, always upward direction. After using a cotton pad, I take a few drops of my toner and I apply it with my palms and kind of just pat it in. Once I'm done with that and everything is absorbed, the second step is I use this product, and it is more of an essence, I would say, and it is called BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Amazing product because it is good for your blackheads, or it reduces actually sebum production and the oils that are excessive oils that are created in your pores. So it also decreases the appearance of your pores, and I take 2 pumps of it, more than enough, because it's very lightweight, very thin, and I focus mainly on the areas where you get blackheads, which is the nose and the cheek. That is for me. And I apply it there. And whatever remaining product I have, I applied it over the face. I'm going to just let this product soak in a bit. And after that, it has absorbed into my skin. I can feel it. Then I'm going to apply my serum, which is the niacinamide. Okay, and for actually that one, I'm going to just apply my under eye cream, which is by Pilgrim again. It's a very smooth, it's olive based, and I love the way it just glides on the skin and makes my skin feel. They also have their moisturizing cream, which I use at night. It's a day cream as well, but I like using it at night. This helps moisturize my under eye and take away all that dullness, if any, and just helps plump the skin. I leave it on like that for some time, and then I do my serum. So either you can just put it on your skin. Right now I don't have my mirror in front of me, so I'm putting it on my palm. And avoid applying your serums to your under eye, because they are made mostly for your face and not under eye area, as the under eye area is very thin and very delicate, and it needs products specifically made for them. So I avoid as much as I can to put any of the products which are a little bit more stronger for your face than for your under eye. Once this is gone into my skin, because this soaks up really quick, and I don't feel that I have too much product on my skin anyway, because everything has gotten absorbed so quickly into the skin, as morning is the time where the skin requires all of this, and it kind of just sucks up all that you're giving, all the food that you're giving to it. So after my serum, I will go ahead and use a cream, a moisturizer, and I love using this. I love the texture of it on my skin. It is from the Face Shop. It is the chia seed moisturizer, which I have spoken about, and I have used this before also in my YouTube videos, if you see earlier, and I like how lightweight this moisturizer is on the skin, and I love the fragrance. The chia seed range is like one of my best favorites from the Face Shop, and like they say, glass skin, it kind of gives that effect of glass skin while we're applying it, and then it kind of gets absorbed into the skin. So just massage your face all over so that there is good blood circulation that's happening. And whatever is left of the moisturizer under my eye, I'm just going to massage that in now. Last but not least, you gotta go out, so you need a sunscreen, and I'm using this one by Obagi. So it's a broad spectrum sunscreen, and it does kind of leave a little bit of a whitish tint for some time. After that, it just becomes normal onto your skin. So you will see a white film right now, but then it settles. And again, sunscreen is not meant to be put directly on your under eye. Do not massage your sunscreen into your skin too much, because it needs to create a shield on your face so that it protects you from the sun. So I'm just going to let this be, and usually this is the first thing that I do in the morning, so that all the products that I'm putting on my skin gets absorbed into the skin, and even the sunscreen can settle a little bit before I head out. And you need to put your sunscreen half an hour before you step out into the sun. For my lip, instead of using a lip balm, moreover, I love the lip sleeping mask by Laneige. I love this, and this is a product that I can swear by, and I have suggested this product to a lot of people who have dry lips or chapped lips. Apply this in the night before going to sleep, and you will see the wonders it does the next morning. And it comes in a small size also, but it's like a one-time investment because it goes on for a very long time. You buy this and then you just keep using it. That was the last step that I did, and this is what my skin looks like after my whole routine. And if I'm stepping out, if I don't require to do makeup, I just use lip tint and mascara, and that's it. But if I have to do my makeup, then you can definitely do your makeup over this. And I am going to make a lot more skincare routines that I follow for you guys, and yes, I am going to do that. One of which is going to be like a cleansing skincare routine where you cleanse your skin once a week, which is required. Exfoliation and all of that is required. So I'm going to in detail show you how I do that on a weekly basis. And otherwise, I'm also going to share a little bit about hair care and the pampering I do for my hair and body care, and all of that is going to come up very soon. And I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. So until then, bye bye.